Dictation of Ajmer Civil Passage number 10 start. The government of Punjab has not challenged the impugned judgment, and the learned Advocate General Punjab candidly submitted that he had instructions to state that the government would comply with the impugned judgment subject to what this court decides. Full stop. Only Election Commission of Pakistan has challenged the impugned judgment. Full stop. New para. Learned counsel for the appellant Mr. Muhammad Akram Sheikh, senior advocate Supreme Court, while impugning the judgment of the Lahore High Court, submitted that right to franchise is a fundamental right because the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan in its very preamble mandates that the sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Allah alone, but it is to be exercised by the people of Pakistan, and the state shall exercise its powers and authority through the chosen representatives of the people, semicolon, that the representatives can be chosen through elections, therefore, the right to vote in an election to chosen represent is a fundamental right, full stop. Even otherwise, he added that Article 17 and 19 of the Constitution confers freedom of speech and freedom of association. Article 17 and the expression of opinion through vote does constitute a right within the meaning of Article 19 of the Constitution, semicolon, that the Local Government Act in Punjab is flawed because the Election Commission of Pakistan cannot carry out its mandate to hold free and fair elections in terms of Article 140A and 218 of the Constitution, full stop. In this regard, he added that three laws have to be brought in conformity with the constitutional command reflected in Articles 140A, 218, 219 and 222, semicolon, that the Election Commission is a body created under the Constitution to dispense political justice and ensure that chosen representatives are elected to position of authority. That Article 140A has two dimensions. In terms of Article 140A, mandate is given to the provincial government to frame laws regarding the local government system, whereas subclause of the said article mandates that the elections are to be held by the Election Commission, full stop. He added that in the absence of appropriate laws, the Election Commission of Pakistan cannot carry out its mandate of holding fair elections for the local government, full stop. He further added that in the face of this flawed legal position, this court can direct the government to initiate appropriate legislation, full stop. This, according to him, is in accord with the judgments of this court in Government of Balochistan versus Azizullah Memon PLD 1993, Supreme Court 341 at pages 374, para 17, full stop. Mr. Azhar Nadeem, learned counsel for the respondent, endorsed the arguments of Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan and Haris Ahmad, amicus curiae in civil appeal numbers 38 to 45 of 2014 filed by Government of Sindh, full stop. He contended that sections 8, 9, 10 of the Punjab Local Government Act are ultra wires of the Constitution, full stop. New para. We have considered the submissions made and have gone through the impugned judgment as also the judgment of the High Court of Sindh dated 26/12/2013, which we upheld while dismissing civil appeal numbers 38 to 45 of 2014 and civil petition numbers 26 to 34, 163 and 164 of 2014, full stop and close.